Good evening, family. I know, breakfast in the morning, but mindset doesn't sleep. While I'm here cooking, I want to remind you of something powerful. Life tastes better when you design it on your own terms. Most people serve themselves stress every morning. Same routine, same grind, same flavor of burnout. But when you choose to monetize your purpose, your mornings change. Suddenly, breakfast isn't rushed, it's enjoyed. Time becomes your luxury ingredient. See, when your business runs faceless, you get to choose more than clothes. You choose your lifestyle. Most people dress for jobs they hate. I get to dress for destinations I love. And here's the point. Faceless freedom isn't about hiding. It's about owning your privacy while your systems work for you. I don't need everyone to see my face. I need the world to feel my impact. This is what I mean by faceless freedom. While others are trapped in commutes, I'm 30,000 feet up, and my channel is still working for me. That's the power of automation. That's the leverage of staying faceless. Nobody in this cabin knows my name. Nobody needs to. My purpose isn't tied to a spotlight. It's tied to results, and results don't care if you're camera shy. Touchdown in Spain, Barcelona to be exact. Here's the beauty of staying faceless. I can travel anywhere, blend everywhere, and still inspire globally. Most influencers can't move without being recognized. Me, I move in silence. My freedom is anonymity. My currency is impact. That's the faceless advantage. Family, this is what it's all about. Purpose that pays, privacy that protects, freedom that feels alive. When you build faceless, you don't just build income, you build options. Options to wake up in Dubai, cook breakfast without rushing, choose outfits for flights, and land in Spain without the world needing to watch your every move. That's the purpose of this journey. Not to be seen, but to be felt. So take the step, monetize your life, protect your peace, and remember always, we are faceless but fearless. Most creators feel chained to their cameras, their audience, their persona, but faceless creators, we get to move like shadows, that blending into cities, exploring cultures, living without limits, no spotlight, no pressure, just freedom. Here's the truth. Monetizing your life isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to choose mornings in Dubai, afternoons in Barcelona, and nights spent reflecting in peace. Your face doesn't need to be the product, your purpose does. And when you build with systems, when you stay consistent, when you protect your privacy, the world still hears you, they feel you. Because family, we are faceless but fearless.